I'm going to show you how to use Excel's XLOOKUP. If you have used vlookup, you're going to love XLOOKUP. So we're going to use XLOOKUP to look up the badge color and bring in the homeroom teacher's name. And the homeroom teachers are over here. And now if we were going to use vlookup, we can't use the matching on the badge color and bring in the teacher's names with the data structured like this because the homeroom is to the left and you can only bring in things with vlookup if it's to the right of what you're matching on. And that may look like no big deal here, but when you've got big data sets and you're going to bring in just some of the columns, you don't want to have to rearrange all your data to be able to use vlookup to bring in what you need. So with XLOOKUP, you can leave your data structured the way it is, and we'll be able to match on the badge color and bring in the homeroom teacher's name. Very similar formula. You say equals XLOOKUP. I want to match on that. And where to look? Look here. And hit F4 so you get the dollar signs so that your range doesn't shift, comma, and here's what I want to deliver, and hit F4 again. And the default is an exact match, so we don't need to put comma 0 or comma false. We can just close it out. So even though the homeroom names were to the left of what we matched on over there, we could bring it in. And then double click, and it pastes it down. And if this messes up, if you get some pound NAs, it's probably because you don't have your dollar signs where you need them.